Before 4.5 billion years ago, something the size of a planet was on a collision course with Earth. And what happened next changed everything. This is the story of the most violent event in Earth's history. A collision so powerful it vaporized entire oceans, entire mantles, entire worlds. And from the debris cloud it left behind, something formed. Our moon. But the moon's birth wasn't peaceful. When it first formed, it was catastrophically close to Earth. Its gravity caused tides, not in oceans, in the magma itself. Waves of molten rock kilometers high. And yet, without this catastrophe, life on Earth almost certainly never happens. This is the full story, and it's more extraordinary than you think.